Hey friends, it's Joe with JoeDoesSolar.com. What am I doing here in front of Tampa Bay Ponds and Rocks? Well, as many of you know, not only do we do residential, but we also do commercial solar. And this is a huge commercial project that we just completed. And I just wanted to take a moment to share this with you. If you've never been to Tampa Bay Ponds and Rocks, what an incredible location. This place has got everything that you need for your landscape supplies. If I didn't live in Orlando, I'd probably be living here. Just an absolutely gorgeous facility with so many different things to choose from. George has rocks from all over the world, it seems. Any project that you can conceive, he's got the inventory to back it up. Hope you enjoy this incredible installation and really cool project. It's my pleasure to introduce to you George Ruiz, the owner here at Tampa Bay Ponds and Rocks, and also Chris Abston from Sunbility. George, a couple questions. What brought us together?
I was searching for solar for my business. I got confused. I went to a Google search. I went to videos, YouTube, trying to get an idea. I got people that come out to give me an estimate, but it was very confusing. So it was when I saw your video and you look like an honest person and informative, and then we got together. Definitely, that convinced me that I was in the right path.
Thank you for your kind words. So what's it been like working with me during this project?
Very good, very good. I'm very happy with the results. There was communication, you were always on top of things. So I am very happy.
That makes me happy because all I want to do is keep you guys out of trouble and make you happy. And I'm glad that it sounds like we achieved that. And by the way, we just checked out the performance app. And wow, is this array cranking out some power. Just amazing output. Good stuff.
Yeah.
So, I got Chris here from Sunbility. Tell us a little bit about Sunbility, Chris.
So, Sunbility is a local installer, local out of Tampa. We install in the entire state of Florida. We handle residential, we handle commercial. We all have all in-house crews. We don't subcontract out any of the work. Licensed, we've been doing this for about 9 years, and you'll find out that our engineers, we pass our inspections.
Indeed, and I can attest to this because I've been working with these guys for about 5 years now, and it's because I trust them. I'm going to put my reputation on the line with theirs, that when I say, hey, they're going to do what I say they're going to do, and they do it extremely well. Matter of fact, just another plug, they did my personal residential array, so these guys absolutely rock. So when you're dealing with a commercial install, and if anybody is looking for commercial solar, you need to look into the tax credits and the depreciation rates. It is extremely lucrative. It's really a no-brainer if you own your facility to go solar. So one of the cool things with finding some extra tax credits for a commercial customer involves sourcing product that is domestically produced. So Chris, you want to share a little bit more about what Sunbility was able to do to get George even a bigger goodie out of this project than he was already getting?
Absolutely. With the Investment Reduction Act that was passed last August in 2022, it opened up a lot of extra money, and I kind of feel like if the government's going to pay for it, we ought to let the government pay for it. And so one of the things is that we sourced all of the equipment domestically for George's solar project. So the panels, the inverters, the rail, everything was sourced domestically, and that gave George an extra 10% bonus. So not 30% tax credit, 40% tax credit. Now on top of that, we also helped George understand that he can depreciate the system. See, this is commercial. It's a business, and he bought the solar as a business capital asset. That means that George also gets to depreciate the cost of the system off of his taxes. That's going to give him probably another 6 to 8% tax credit.
You gotta like that.
No, definitely.
Under promise, over deliver. You guys have anything else to add?
I just was reviewing my bill for last month. That was the first time the solar kicked in. And we were looking with Chris, and saved me in a bill that usually is $1,200, $1,300. It saved me about what, $1,000 for a month.
And
that was month one.
Yeah, month one.
Yeah.
And if we had more roof, we could have covered that extra 22, but that's what we had to work with. Hey, guys, thanks for watching again. If you're anywhere near Dunedin, Tampa, this place is definitely worth coming and checking out. It's just absolutely amazing, all the stuff. We're going to share some extra pictures, videos with you after I get done talking to showcase some of the really cool things George has here. Thanks for watching, you guys. Appreciate you.